afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, teachers, students, people of the administration. If you are watching this video, it's because we are all in this together. I'm Dave with Spruce Industries, and I'm going to show you a little thing called cooperative cleaning and how it's going to make the place that you teach, you work, and you learn a safer place for everybody. So let's jump right in and talk about the products that we're going to be using. This here is the Everwipe Quat Safe non-binding dry wipe. And non-binding means that the chemical that's used with this product is going to stay down on the surface. It releases from this wipe and stays on the surface, which is why we don't recommend ever using any sort of regular paper towel, because paper towels are absorbent. We want the chemical down on the surface. Now let's move over to the chemical that we're going to be using. This is Purell Surface Disinfectant, which is one of the few products on the market right now that does not require you to wear any sort of PPE. No gloves, no mask, no problem. And the kicker is, this has a 1-minute kill claim on COVID, which means that this product has to stay wet on the surface for 1 minute in order for it to live up to that claim. Now let me take you step by step through this process. You're going to take your label and you're going to slap it on your bottle. Okay, next, you're going to take your surface disinfectant and you're going to pour it in this bottle. Screw your sprayer back on, and now we're ready to use. Now, take your disinfectant and spray it directly onto the wipe generously. Now let's get to disinfecting. Now that I've covered this entire surface, I'm gonna let it sit wet for at least 1 minute so that it lives up to its kill claims, and this desk is COVID-free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to anybody at Spruce. We are happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.